Pleasant welcome children. In this video we are going to see a new story. The story will be easy and interesting for you to learn many new things. Shall we get into the story? Yes. Kitty's Wonderful Day. This is the story name. Kitty. Yes, Kitty's WONDERFUL. Wonderful DAY. Day. Kitty's Wonderful Day. See the picture, students. Who is this? Do you have any guess? Yes, very good. This is Kitty. It is brown in color. It has green eyes and it has a big tail. The kitty looks very happy and pleasant. Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her ball. The sun is yellow. The day is warm. Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her ball. The sun is yellow. The day is warm. This is the morning time. The sun is rising slowly. It is yellow in color and the day also warm. Kitty rolls on the grass and plays with her blue ball. It is a female cat and a boy and girl also playing there happily. The ants are busy. The clouds are fluffy. What a beautiful day to play outside. The ants are busy. The clouds are fluffy. What a beautiful day to play outside. Kitty is sitting on the grass and watching the ants, how they are going. The ants are busy and going one after one by collecting its food. Kitty looks very happy and a father and girl playing there happily. Kitty thinks, what a beautiful day to play outside. What is the meaning for the word fluffy? Fluffy means soft and smooth. The clouds look soft and smooth. Kitty stretches on the mat. It rains outside. Kitty stretches on the mat. It rains outside. See, now the kitty is very tired. It stretches on the mat and it is raining outside. What is meant by stretches? Yes, stretches means extends or prolongs. Kitty extends its body on the mat. It is very tired, no? So it stretches on the mat and it is raining outside. This is the evening time. The clothes are wet. The shoes are muddy. But the flowers look happy. The clothes are wet. The shoes are muddy. But the flowers look happy. See the picture. After the rain, the clothes become wet. The shoes also muddy. A boy and girl is playing on the muddy water. So their shoes become wet and muddy. Muddy in the sense dirt, and their shoes are covered with the mud. That is known as muddy. But the flowers look happy. Why the flowers look happy? Because severe sun continued throughout the day, so it felt very hot. But after the rain, the air becomes cool. They can feel the cool air, so the flowers look happy. And the air is cool. What a lovely day. There is a rainbow too. And the air is cool. What a lovely day. There is a rainbow too. We can see in this picture a big rainbow. The rainbow is in 7 colors. After the rain, rainbow appeared on the sky and Kitty is sitting on the wall and watching it with happily. The rainbow is in 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Yes, the rainbow is in 7 colors. A boy and girl also sitting with the kitty and watching the rainbow happily. And Kitty thinks, what a lovely day. And Kitty feels a cool air. Now see the window. Through this window we can identify what part of the day it is. What part of the day it is, students? Yes, this is night time. The sky is very dark and we can see a moon and twinkling stars on the sky. Now I am going to read the sentence. Kitty curls up on her bed and looks at the sky. The sun has gone away for the night. Kitty curls up on her bed and looks at the sky. The sun has gone away for the night. Yes, Kitty curls up on her bed and looks at the sky happily. The sun has gone away and this is the night time. Kitty can see on the sky twinkling stars and a bright moon, and it says, what a lovely day. The sky is dark and the moon is white. The stars are shining pretty and bright. The sky is dark and the moon is white. The stars are shining pretty and bright. Yes, the sky looks very dark. Bats are moving here and there, and we can also see a bright moon. It is white in color. We can see the white moon. Owl is sitting on the tree. Under the tree, a small dog is sleeping. And this is the time for sleeping to Kitty also. The stars also shining pretty and bright. Pretty means beautiful. Okay, students, with that we came to the end of this story. In this story, we have learnt many new things and we have learnt parts of the day and describing words. How many parts of the day are there? Yes, there are 4 parts of the day: morning, noon, evening and night. In the 4 parts of the day also, Kitty enjoyed well and Kitty played happily outside. And we have learnt many describing words like shining, pretty, bright. Okay, students, related to that, we are going to do a book activity now. The activity number is 12.1. This is in our English Little Thinker. Now I am going to read the topic. So listen this. Complete the table with suitable adjectives that describe the nouns on a sunny day and rainy day. Complete the table with suitable adjectives. A table is given here. We have to complete this with the suitable adjective words that describe the nouns on a sunny day and rainy day. A noun is given here, and here some questions are given under the sunny day column and some questions are given under the rainy day column. So we have to write appropriate adjective words according to the nouns. First we can read the noun word, then we can go for on a sunny day and rainy day. If we write in this format, this will be easy to answer. Clothes. What is the first word? Clothes. Clothes is a noun. It is a naming word. So for this naming word, we have to find the adjective word here. The clothes are dash. The clothes are dash on a sunny day. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes, we can write dry. The clothes are dash on a rainy day. How will be the clothes on a rainy day? Yes, it will be wet due to rain. So we can write wet here. Then next noun word is sky. The sky is dash on a sunny day. Yes, the sky is hot on a sunny day. The sky is dash on a rainy day. Yes, we can write the opposite word cool, or else if you want to write some other answers, you can write that also. Next, clouds. This is the naming word. We have to identify we have to find out the appropriate adjective word. The clouds are dash on a sunny day. The clouds are dash on a sunny day. What will be the answer? Can you identify? The clouds are dash on a sunny day. Yes, the clouds are white on a sunny day. Very good, children. And the clouds are dash on a rainy day. By seeing the picture itself, we can identify. Yes, the clouds are black on a rainy day. Very good, children. Then air. The air is dash on a sunny day. How will be the air on a sunny day? Yes, hot. The air is hot on a sunny day, and the air is dash on a rainy day. Very good, children. You found the answer. The air is cool on a rainy day. Okay, now I am going to show the answers. We can read the answers with the question. The clothes are dry on a sunny day. The clothes are wet on a rainy day. The sky is bright on a sunny day. The sky is dark on a rainy day. The clouds are white on a sunny day. The clouds are black on a rainy day. Then the air is hot on a sunny day, and the air is cool on a rainy day. Okay, students, with that we have completed the activity 12.1. You can also complete this activity in your English Tilted Thinker book. Now we are going to do the next activity. Answer the following. This is in page number 48. Look at the picture of the night sky in the story. Fill in the blanks describing words of your choice. Look at the picture of the night sky in the story. We have to do this activity with the help of our storybook. First, we have to see the night sky page in our storybook. Depending upon that, we have to answer for the following questions. Okay. The sky is dash. Yes, how was the sky in the storybook? It was very dark, yes. So, the sky is dark. The moon is dash. How was the moon? By seeing the picture also, you can find out the answer. Yes, bright. Very good, children. Your answers are correct. Bright and white. The stars are dash and dash. Twinkling and shining. The stars are twinkling and shining. Second question. How do you think Kitty feels at the end of the day? The question is, how do you think Kitty feels at the end of the day? Here we have given the answer. Kitty feels very happy. If you want to write some other answers, you can write in your own way. Not only for this question, for all the questions. If you want, you can write the same answers, or else you can write your own answers, just what you are thinking in your mind. Question number 3. What do you think Kitty will do now? You can just think and write what Kitty will be doing right now. Answers on your own. You can think in your own way and you can write the answers here, students. Question number 4. Describe Kitty using any 3 describing words of your choice. Describe Kitty using any 3 describing words of your choice. Yes, here we have to describe the Kitty with our own words. Here we have given the answers like playful Kitty. It was playing at the first page, yes. So we have given playful Kitty, then lovable Kitty and naughty Kitty. If you want to write some other answers, so that you can write your own answers also. You no need to write the same. You can write your own answers also. With that we have completed this activity also. You can also complete this activity in your English Little Thinker, students. Okay, we came to the end of the class. So thank you, children. Thank you to everyone.